seeing her grow inside my wife, anticipating my daughter's life, feeling her move inside the womb, decorating the spare room, buying clothes from mother care, baby toys everywhere, years of trying, now forgotten, tiny pink pajamas made of cotton, morning sickness, ultrasound scans, choosing her name and making plans, days going by that seem like years, feelings of joy and occasional tears, the days finally here, time for action, heavy breathing, another contraction, the midwife smiling as best she can, a CTG, and yet another scan. Lucy never took a single breath. The certificate stated in utero death.